So this is the home page of the vendor console, which will be visible after logging in. And in order to create a vendor pickup request, that is request a pickup via Udaan Express, we need to click on order, purchase order. So the purchase orders will be visible here. They can be expanded to reveal the purchase order line items, each of which is a product and a quantity. So let's say I want to arrange a pickup for some line items of a few purchase orders. So let's say I want to arrange a pickup for one of these line items and two of the line items of this purchase order. The product description is empty in the development environment, but here ideally the product should be visible. So let's say I'm arranging a pickup, I'm requesting a pickup for these three line items via Udaan Express. So I need to click on request pickup, select the pickup date, OK. So our pickup request was successful. So the pickup has been requested and I can view the status of all the pickups under the Udaan Express tab under orders. So I select the vendor location. So for this vendor location, I can now view all the pickup requests. So this is the latest pickup request that I have created, and these are some of the older pickup requests that I had created. So as you can see, the statuses are different and there are a few actions that need to be taken. So the first stage in which the pickup request will be is the pending approval stage. The pickup request needs to be approved by the Udaan Central Ops team based on the availability and once approved, it will move into the pending invoice upload state, where as the vendor I need to upload the invoice details. So let's say I want since we already have a pickup request that has been approved here, let's say I want to upload the invoice details for this. So I need to mention the number of boxes. Let's say I have a total weight of 100 kgs and each box is 10 kg. So let's say I'm simply going to upload some kind of sample invoice. It can be an image file, it can be a PDF file. Let's say I have a sample invoice number 12345. I have an invoice amount of 1 lakh, tax amount let's say 10,000. E-way bill number is compulsory for a total amount greater than 50,000. For amounts below 50,000, it is not compulsory. Invoice amount is exclusive of tax, and tax amount is the tax applied on the invoice amount. So the total amount is invoice amount plus tax amount. So if that is greater than 50,000, we need to upload the e-way bill number as well. So let's say e-way bill number is 45678, any random number, and I click on OK. So I've got a message successfully updated invoice details. So now that I've updated the invoice details, let's say I reload the page. Now this pickup request for which we had uploaded the invoice details has moved to scheduled. So the order has been placed. So once the order has been placed, I can download the shipping labels. So right now I'm facing an error because I'm in the dev environment, but ideally on clicking on download shipping label, I should be able to see the shipping labels, which look like this. So the shipping labels look like this. So let's say I have 13 boxes, I'll have 13 such labels. So each box, the shipping label needs to be attached to each box before the pickup, and then the pickup can be completed.